Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of financial freedom but feel overwhelmed by where to start? On the Savvy Savers channel, we're about to uncover the secrets to wealth building that will change your life forever. What if I told you that you could turn your financial situation around, even if you're starting from scratch? We will reveal the easy, step-by-step roadmap to financial success that anyone can follow. Building wealth from scratch. A reality check. Be selective about who you listen to. There's a ton of broke folks handing out financial advice. Instead, seek guidance from those who've walked the walk. If you want to build wealth with zero capital, you've got to hustle. Forget traditional hourly jobs. They'll only get you so far. Focus on careers or businesses where your income isn't tied to the clock. Sales, for instance, can be a game changer. It's not just about pushing products, it's about mastering time management and customer relations. Is sales not your thing? No problem. Consider switching careers every couple of years. It could boost your income by 50%. The smart moves to make more money. Businesses are scrambling to find talent and are willing to pay top dollar for the right person. This shortage of skilled workers presents a golden opportunity for anyone looking to increase their income. But how do you capitalize on this moment? The answer lies in entrepreneurship. Many individuals who rapidly accumulated wealth started their businesses. They identified unmet needs in the market and provided solutions. The good news is that learning the ropes of entrepreneurship doesn't have to break the bank. Countless resources are available for free on platforms like YouTube. Being self-sufficient in finding answers is crucial for long-term wealth building. Now, let's get down to brass tacks. Here are some actionable steps to kickstart your wealth building journey from scratch. Firstly, cultivate the habit of investing immediately. Shockingly, the average millennial spends over $2,000 annually at coffee shops, with a significant portion neglecting retirement savings. This trend must change. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Remember, it's not about the amount you invest now, but the consistency of your habits over time. For instance, investing $1 at age 20 yields significantly more than investing the same amount at 30 or 40. Understanding this concept transformed my mindset toward expenses and prioritizing long-term gains. In addition to immediate investments, consider opening a Roth IRA as soon as possible. This retirement account offers tax-free growth, meaning your earnings are shielded from taxes after age 59 and a half. By starting early, you maximize the benefits of compound interest and minimize future tax burdens. These strategies lay the groundwork for a financially secure future, allowing you to build wealth steadily over time. So, seize the opportunity, invest wisely, and pave the way to financial freedom. The key strategies to maximize your income. With businesses desperate for talent and ready to shell out top dollar, there's never been a better time to capitalize on your earning potential. As you're likely not in a high tax bracket, you'll have more cash left over for investments. Plus, the earlier you start, the longer your money has to grow. Simple math, right? So, save as much as you can. While financial gurus may tout 10%, it's not enough to fast-track your wealth. Consider this. At a 10% savings rate, it takes 51 years to replace your income through investments. Bump that up to 30%, and it's down to 28 years. And if you manage to save 50%, you could retire in just 17 years, with your investments sustaining you indefinitely. Once you're in the habit of saving, it's time for the secret sauce: multiple income streams. The IRS's research on high-income tax returns revealed that those with more income streams tend to earn more. So, diversify your sources. Start with earned income, like a paycheck, the foundation of your financial journey. Then, consider dividend income. It's the easiest second income stream you can start right now. Invest in dividend stocks and voila, you're earning passive income. Depending on your investments, dividends could range from 6% to 7.6%. Unlocking your earning potential. Ever thought about throwing your money into a broad index fund like VFX? It's a savvy move, earning you 1.3% annually. But that's just the beginning. We have capital gains. Selling an investment for profit can yield substantial returns, especially if held for over a year. Hello, long-term capital gains tax rates. And if you're earning under $40,000 annually, rejoice. Your long-term capital gains tax rate is a cool 0%. But wait, there's more. Ever considered interest income? Simply park your cash in a high-yield savings account and watch the interest roll in. Plus, it's easy to report come tax season. As you start raking in the dough, why not dip your toes into rental income? Real estate investment offers myriad tax advantages, making it an attractive option for wealth building. From long-term capital gains to rental income, the possibilities are endless. Did you know that 90% of millionaires reportedly dabble in real estate? It's a strategy worth considering. Working a second job or nurturing a side business can be a game changer, providing both extra income and a safety net in case of emergencies. With 6 hours a day up for grabs, why not leverage your time and make more money? Blueprint to financial security. Assuming an average annual salary of $31,000, your journey begins with minimizing costs at every turn. Whether it's living frugally, cooking at home, or slashing discretionary spending, every dollar saved is a step closer to your goal. Now, assuming you can save $200 monthly, funnel it into a Roth IRA and invest in a broad market index fund like VTSX. But don't stop there. Dive into a side hustle or part-time gig, turning spare hours into extra cash. By leveraging your time effectively, you can accelerate your savings and propel your financial growth. And here's where the magic happens. Job hopping. Workers who switch jobs every 2 to 3 years see a substantial pay increase, often around 15%. By capitalizing on this trend, you can supercharge your earnings potential and turbocharge your savings. But beware of lifestyle inflation, the silent wealth killer. As your income grows, resist the temptation to splurge on luxuries. Stay disciplined, maintain your frugal habits, and watch your savings soar. By diligently following this blueprint, you can reach your $500,000 target in just 18 years, assuming an 8% return. And with strategic adjustments along the way, you'll be well on your way to financial freedom before you know it. That's all for today's video. Hope you found these tips helpful on your wealth building journey. Remember, it's never too late to start building wealth, so take action today and start working towards your financial goals. Hey everyone! Want to ditch financial stress and design your dream life? Then the Ultimate Wealth Workbook is for you. This isn't just a book, it's your personal finance coach. Through fun exercises and actionable plans, you'll gain clarity and build a roadmap to financial freedom. From budgeting to investing, it's got you covered. Grab your copy and turn your money goals into reality. Your rich life awaits. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with anyone who could benefit from it. Until next time, stay focused, stay disciplined, and keep building your wealth. Thanks for watching.